Shivani, owner of Shipra Creations by Mehak, and I am into handmade gifts and articles. I take orders and take classes also. I want to really thank the She team for giving us this wonderful opportunity to showcase our products, and I bring for you my product.
Here is my first product, which is a handmade album. It has been designed keeping in mind the various occasions we have in life. It can be used to keep our photographs or messages, and it has storage spaces for putting up the messages and photographs. So it can be customized into any theme and as per the requirements. Now presenting my next album. This is also a handmade album which has been made on a blue theme, and it has space for various tags and messages. I have not put many flaps into it so that we can put as many photographs as we want. So it has a lot of empty spaces. Now next product is again a handmade album. It is in the shape of a handbag, and it is basically a box, and which has an album inside it. We can store anything in the box, and this is the mini album which can be used to put our photographs or messages, and it has small tags and storage spaces for photographs and secret messages or notes kind of thing. So this all can be used over here, and it has space for lots of photographs. All these can be customized as per your choice and requirements. My next product is really huge baby album. It has been designed keeping in view a newborn baby, and it is really a huge album with lots of pop-ups like this, and all these can be customized as per your theme. Sorry. Yeah. It has various pop-ups and elements so that we can put our photographs or messages and write memories for the different milestones achieved by the baby. Like we have various openings like this wherein we can put the photos, messages.
This is an explosion box. It has got a closure opening here, so like we slide it here, and when we open it, it explodes like a box. These are all the envelopes which can be used for putting your messages or photographs, and this is a secret box where you can put in your gifts or some items, etc. And it closes like this, and you can just place the lid. Another box which can be used for gifting some small gift items is like this, and when you open it, it's a slider double-decker box. All these flowers are handmade. And another explosion box, it's a simple one. It has just flaps for the messages, and it has a stand where we can put in some cake, or if you, depending on the theme, we can decorate it. Now coming on next to some handmade flowers. I have made all these. This flower bouquet is completely handmade and hand cut, and these are all paper flowers. I do teach them as well. This is a cute brooch pin, and it can be used for gift tags as well. I have some gift tags as also like this, and you can write your messages here. It can be attached to your gift boxes. Then I have some cards like this. These are also some special gift tags. You can use them as cards also, or put it on the your gift box. Another card, 3x3 mini album, that is 3 inches by 3 inches, and it has space to keep your photographs, messages like this. We can slide in small photographs, and it's just a pocket book, so wherein you can keep all your tags, messages, etc. and it's just something like a secret book kind of thing. You can put some photographs, write some messages. Like this. I also have some gift baskets like this. This can be used to decorate or make gift hampers, and all these are customizable in sizes and designs. Another gift box, and it can be opened like this, so you can put some gift. And now no more simple paper bags or something like that, so just gift all your gifts in style and make the receiver feel more happier. I have another gift box which has been designed specially for the chocolates or some things. It's a 1-inch depth rectangle box, and it can be decorated like this. Then I have some festive theme gift boxes which can be used to gift some gold or silver giftings basically, and this can be used to gift some rings or baby bracelets or gold coins, and it comes as a closure to this. Then I have some small gift boxes. These are just 2 inches of height, and it has an opening over here. We can just open it like this, and we can put the gift items, smaller coins or something, and it can be closed, and this can be gifted. It can all be customized as per your choice and requirements. So this is another gift box wherein we can put your gold coin or a ring, and then we can close it like this. I also have some special envelope boxes like this. So it has an opening over here. It can be opened like this. It can put our bundle of notes, currency notes, etc. And I made this especially for the Diwali gifting purpose. And then we can just slide it in so that it is completely secured and easy to gift. And it's like looks like a clutch. I have some handmade envelopes like this. These are all made with special inks, and we can just use them for putting our money or cash in that. And I have various designs, and it can also be customized. Some of the designs I'm showing you. Some special gift envelopes like this. This has been designed on a baby theme. It has been designed for twin baby boys, and then we have some storage over here. Similarly, I've made it on a girl theme, so it's like a slider wherein we can put some photographs or something like that. You can put some special message, and then this is then we can put our cash or money here. And this is a small gift which can be really make the occasion memorable. These are the MDF boxes, and it has been decorated on all the sides, and it has space for keeping your watches or jewelries, and it comes with these partitions. Another one on the similar lines is the handmade again an MDF box, but it has been decorated with handmade flowers, and it also has a storage in this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have liked my creations. For more details, you can just contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.